Hello my beautiful and amazing subscribers, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is where you get all your legit and confirmed gist. To all my returning subscribers, I love you all, and if you are coming to my channel for the first time, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe before going. Guys, Etiko just joined the private gang owner. She just got herself a brand new private jet, and she becomes another person in the Nollywood industry that just purchased the private jet. The Etiko happens to be one of the most, if not the most hardworking Nollywood actress we have in Asaba. She's not just an Asaba actress anymore. The Etiko is currently trending for featuring in Jennifer's Diary in Fuke Akindele's movie that will soon be shown on nationwide cinemas and all that. The Etiko has really worked hard for all this. She has been traveling for vacations, and a lot of people seems not to be happy about how the Etiko have been traveling. For me, I think she deserves whatever blessings that is coming her way, because she has really worked hard for this. She has really worked hard for this, and she deserves the whole vacation she has been going to and all that. Congratulations to you, Etiko. You are worth emulating, and I pray that God keep protecting you, and very soon you are going to get married, as this is one of your biggest wish, as you said, getting married and having kids of your own. Congratulations to you once more on your private jet. If you're still watching this video to this time, please subscribe after watching.
Oh. Wait. I'm scared of. Please, let me check on this. Well, open it for me. No, well, let's give my phone. Oh my God. Olivia!